This 2012 Nissan Maxima is brought to you by Ultimate Auto Sales and Repair. Child safety door locks, electronic brake assistance, traction control, vehicle stability control system, trunk anti-trap device, separate driver, front passenger climate controls, tachometer, leather steering wheel mounted controls, telescopic steering column, tire pressure monitor, trip computer, subwoofer, front power lumbar support, passenger multi-adjustable power seat, second row folding seat, cargo area T-downs, automatic headlights, front air dam, interval wipers. Visit us at ultimateautosales.cny.com.